Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make prayer a habit and set a reminder on the Bible application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the More button down below in the right side corner of the screen. After that, tap on Set Time. After selecting the prayer section, scroll down and tap on Set Time. Click on Remind Me Daily, and then you will be directed to your phone settings where you need to allow the application to have access to your notifications. So tap on Notifications and then click on Allow Notifications. Then go back to the application, and as you can see, it has been enabled. So now you need to select a time when you would like to get reminders about your prayer. After selecting it on this in this section, click on the Done button in the upper right corner of the screen to add your changes. As you can see, the prayer reminder has been set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.